Nothing.
Nothing.
Ain't nothing going. What are you doing?
I'm videoing you trying to get this thing here.
Okay, here we go. I'll put another $1 in.
Okay. All right, here we go. That's right. We are live at St. Mary's Railroad Museum. We're cross-tied a hobo, trying to win. What are you trying to win? Cross-tied a duck?
No. It's like some weird-looking Easter egg thing.
Weird-looking Easter egg thing.
It's a green Easter egg chicken. Ooh.
Damn it, cross-tie.
I got him standing up there. Those freaking legs.
Damn.
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 Whoever gets it.
It's been
played up now.
We got Rhonda trying to jump in the table.